So today we're back on our podcast for our HR and L&D professionals, and we're focusing in on the topic of Agentic AI. And I know you've recently released a new book, your third, and this is a hot topic for you and for a lot of organizations at the minute. So what I really want to get to grips with and simplify, I suppose, is what is Agentic AI when it comes to HR and L&D professionals. So what is that? Few lines that you could help describe it for them.
It's basically a digital worker. So we're used to seeing physical robots sitting in factories. We're all familiar with the Amazon robots or the Tesla's robots that wander around doing things that normally humans would have done. Agentic AI is the same except for the office environment. So the tasks that we perform, for example, opening up an email, downloading a CV, transcribing that, putting it into an L&D or HR system, writing an email, writing a letter and a follow-up, all that is a routine set of patterns, dare I say. And agentic labor, digital labor, can do the exact same thing as a person. Slightly different from what people might have been used to a couple of years ago, which was robotic process automation, which was largely the first version of this to some degree. That was very, very rule-based. In other words, if this happens, do that. And if that doesn't happen, it broke. Now, this digital workforce is built on the same technology as ChatGPT. In other words, large language models. You give it a goal and it goes and executes the goal. Now, it can do it by itself as long as everything is logical and clear and digital. But if it runs into mistakes, it can come back and check. Or you can code these things to say, okay, you can go so far, but I want to see what you've done. Then come back to me and get some more direction and then go again until you're happy that the task that was asked for was completed successfully. And whatever way you try and measure it, it was actually done in the right way.